Okay, so I saw it was either the comments of CurseForge or it was the suggestions area in the Discord, but someone wanted to add power to the mod. Now, until it is added in the next update, I have found a way to add power myself. Now, this can only be done in creative or with cheats enabled because it requires the activator, which, to my knowledge, is currently unobtainable in survival. Let's get started. So what I've done is I've linked this button to this door, and the observer senses when this door opens or closes, which sends a redstone tick to this dropper, which of course cycles the item. This is a T flip-flop, and it goes to this activator, which is connected to this door. It's a little slower than if you had just done the door connected to the button, so it seems kind of useless, right? No. This is my updated design. It does the same thing, and this will be explained in a second, but now it goes through here and it connects to these command blocks. This command block removes all of these redstone blocks. This one adds them back. And what this is my power setup. This is how I'm doing the power. A hopper drains 2.5 items per second. You can adjust how many items are inside of it to adjust how much power you have. So basically what happens is when these redstone blocks are removed, the items drain. I'll actually show it now. The items drain, and as the items drain, you'll see that one of these lights will turn off. Give it just a second. Oh, and this works too. See, one of the lights has turned off, and this one will turn off this light, but also, this is how I show how much power you have left. It will also do that. Now this whole thing here was a proof of concept, hence why it's so unbelievably bulky. This is not what the final design looks like. The final design looks like this. I've made the power bank only use 3 because you can only fit 3 pistons in this office. You can only fit 3 blocks. And then I've also made it slightly longer so that it's more foolproof and it works 100% of the time. Because the other design is faulty occasionally. I don't know why, but I don't know. So this is my new design for connecting all of the doors and all of the lights. The button for the light on the left side is connected to this, with it's basically the exact same thing as before, just in a different shape. And of course, I did something else too. I wired all of them together so that if you use a door on this side and a door on that side, or a light on this side, light on that side, door on this side, light on that side, etc. If you do that, it goes to this AND gate, and it goes to these command blocks, which remove not only this line of redstone blocks, which does that side, but also this side, so that power drains at double speed. Now, currently, it doesn't work with using both on the left side or both on the right side. So if you use the door and the light, it'll only drain at 1 times speed. But that's that for now. Hold on. Before I show this, I have to do that, and that should be right back up. Yep, okay. And now, I'll show you what it looks like. So, You turn on one light and you'll see that, of course, it's on over here, and this redstone line is turned on, meaning that these 3 redstone blocks have disappeared, and you'll see that it will you might have just seen it, but it removed that too. Now we'll turn this light off, and we'll turn on this door, and we'll turn on this door too. What you'll see is that this AND gate has shut off, connecting these 2 command blocks, and making the other line of redstone blocks disappear, meaning that items are draining at double speed. It seems I didn't quite catch it, but now that you've run out of power, you can't use the doors anymore. They open up as soon as... You know what, I'll do this real quick. And now that we have both doors here, as soon as power runs out, of course, I'll turn on the light too. All of this should open and turn off as well. Look at that. The light's off, and the doors are open, and everything is unusable. But anyways, that's my design. And of course, I'm using command blocks to clone these so that you don't, like, get too many blocks inside of it. And same with this, so that you can reset it easily. I have a clone command block. But yeah. Oh, and then I actually didn't explain it. As soon as you run out of power, this command block right here will fill this area with redstone blocks, pushing this block down so that you can't use the door anymore. But yeah, that's all. That's my design.